How to buy crypto in Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto in Robinhood. So then, to begin with the procedure, first of all log in, and once you're logged in, go to the icon or the accounts icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. Once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the accounts page. Here you need to go ahead and select the category. First of all, in our case, since we are buying crypto, go ahead and select crypto and use the search bar tool to locate the asset. So I'm going to go ahead and select Ethereum or ETH. So once you locate the particular asset that you wish to buy, and you need to go ahead and select the send button located right at the bottom. So on the other interface, it's going to ask you to start with this procedure. So go ahead and select get started button. As soon as you do that, next page by default, it's going to ask you to enter in how much you actually want to buy. So enter in the exact amount and make sure that you have already added a payment method or a payment source. After you're done adding the amount, click the submit button. Next page, it's going to ask you to enter in or provide in your payment details. So click the link bank account or a debit card whatsoever, and then confirm the order. As soon as you've done that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that the order has been confirmed, and within no time you'll be receiving a crypto into your Robinhood. So in that way you can buy crypto in Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.